Hi, welcome to Samsung. I'm Sam. I'm here to walk you through the new Galaxy S26 Ultra. More than a smartphone, it's designed to understand and adapt to you, making every day easier with Galaxy AI. Let's take a look. Hi, anything I can help you with?
I'm looking for a new phone.
Well, this is the newest Galaxy, the new Galaxy S26 Ultra.
This is definitely for me.
And I just took a selfie. Can I remove this person?
You want to try Photo Assist? I can show you how. Just tap the Galaxy AI button, select the person, hit erase, and there you go.
Wow, this is exactly what I want.
I wish my phone could do that.
And that's just the beginning of what Photo Assist can do. It also lets you add objects from the gallery. How about these sunglasses?
Cool.
And you can just ask what changes you want. Change the background to a beach. Or sketch to add anything with the embedded S Pen.
Cool. Can I try?
Yeah, try it out.
Let's see.
That's awesome.
Wait, it gets even better. Let's head into Creative Studio for more fun. Now you can make a bunch of amazing content, like your own set of stickers, invites, and greeting cards.
Can I create them with my pictures?
Definitely. Let's try with the photo we generated with Photo Assist. Just swipe left on the Edge panel, then tap Creative Studio, then tap Create Sticker. Select the photo you want to make a sticker with, and tap Generate. And there you go.
Personal sticker. Cool.
How about turning it into a whole sticker set? Select Generate Sticker Set, then choose whichever style reflects your moods and reactions, then tap Generate. You can save it to the keyboard and send them to your friends. So, anything else you want to explore?
I'm all good. I read the reviews before coming in and just wanted to check the photo editing with AI. I'll take this one.
Great. I'll send somebody over to help you.
Thanks.
Hi, can I help you find something?
Yeah, is this the newest Galaxy?
Yep, that's the Galaxy S26 Ultra with Galaxy AI.
Right, Galaxy AI. But I haven't really used it before.
Once you use it, it just clicks. Let me show you. I was texting with my friend about catching up. Check this out. He suggested to meet up, and with the new feature called Now Nudge, it understands the context and pulls up my existing appointments on the day.
So you don't even have to go to your calendar to know your own schedule?
Look how easy it is to reply. Let me text back. So he's in for that time. As you see, there's a new prompt to save it into my calendar. Now Nudge can also pull up info like the location or contacts, allowing me to easily find that info on other apps.
I like how it cuts out all the steps.
That's super convenient.
Here, look. I just got another message asking for some photos from our trip last year. Well, thanks to Now Nudge, it finds the context and suggests what photos to send right away.
So no more hunting through your gallery.
Nope. And it works with more than 10 different popular messaging apps. So you're all set.
Wow, this would make life easier for sure.
I think you'll like the enhanced Now Brief too, because it helps you stay on track as well.
How so?
It gives you useful information right when you need it. Like reminding you of an upcoming meeting, even if you forgot to add it to your calendar.
How does it do that?
It gathers info from notifications about future events and reminds you when it's coming. No more digging through multiple apps. It even suggests playlists and helps keep track of your sleep patterns and energy score.
It's like having a personal assistant.
Assistant can screen your call. When you get an unknown call, it figures out who's calling and why. And just like that, the context appears, so you can decide to pick up or not. You don't miss anything important, and you don't waste time.
What a great filter to avoid spam or scam calls.
Exactly. Suspected spam or scam calls are identified and hidden before they reach you.
Love that. But is my data still private?
With S26 Ultra, security is built in. your personal data stays on device and is protected by Knox Vault. You can decide what's shared with AI, customizing the settings for each app. Go to Personal Data Intelligence setting, tap Data to Use, and turn sharing on or off easily for each app.
That definitely gives me peace of mind.
And one more thing. With S26 Ultra, you're guaranteed to get 7 years of software updates, so you'll always be protected with the latest security.
Well, I'm sold. Now I need to pick a color.
Take your time. Hi, can I help you with anything?
Hello, yes. What is this?
And that's the new Bixby.
Bixby.
Yeah. The new and improved Bixby is your AI device agent that helps you easily change settings. You can just talk to it naturally. Let me show you. Hi, Bixby. I don't want people around me to see my screen.
I've turned on privacy display.
Oh, it figured out what you wanted to change without even the exact feature name.
Absolutely. It just knows what you need.
Cool. I don't need to care about people looking at my phone anymore.
The goal is to make life easier.
That's what I like.
I'm glad you like it. All set to make the switch?
Yeah, let's do it.
And that's the Galaxy S26 Ultra. More than a smartphone, it's the phone that stays a step ahead to make life easier.